Today we are going to be making some Toomba stir-fried noodles. They are made by Shin Ramyun, which is ramen from Korea that is spicy. And this version is more of a stir-fried noodle cooked on the stovetop. So the first thing we're going to do is add 300 milliliters of water to our pan. And that is approximately 1.27 cups, or like a cup and just a little bit more than a quarter of a cup. These stir-fry noodles are similar to the microwavable ramen noodles, but have a less broth. And they come with a sauce packet and a seasoning packet. So first off, we're just going to boil the noodles in a saucepan. I am gonna flip this over because it doesn't submerge in the water in my pan. It depends on the size of your saucepan. You're supposed to boil these for 3.5 minutes, stirring frequently. This one is method number one. There is another method where it has 500 milliliters of water, which is deeper, and you stir it less often. And as soon as these soften, I'm gonna stir it and loosen up those noodles. This version just wastes less water. Both of them are equally good. However you get your noodles cooked is fine. Let's see, still too solid. All right, my noodles are starting to break up. You can, when they're dry, crack them in half if you want to get shorter noodles. All right, my noodles are starting to soften up and are loose. I've been stirring them frequently. I'm going to start adding my sauce. And my seasoning. You can adjust your spiciness level by adding more or less of the packets. I'm going to turn my heat down and give this a stir. So they are very tasty noodles, done in less than 5 minutes on your stovetop, if you follow the directions. You could do this with a microwave. You would just need to drain that broth away and add the sauce more towards the end when you have drained away your water. Here are my finished noodles with no broth, and I added some of the dried crunchies that are usually in the bottom of your bag and a little bit of fresh green onions. You can, of course, add any vegetables or eggs or meat if you have it, but I'm just doing a very basic one today. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.